This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make UI in Figma for Roblox. Figma offers a fantastic platform for crafting user interfaces, allowing for seamless collaboration and quick iterations. It's an essential step before bringing your designs into Roblox Studio. We'll start by setting up your design file in Figma, ensuring a smooth transition from concept to creation. This process streamlines your workflow significantly, saving you valuable time and effort. Once your Figma file is ready, it's time to design. Use frames to simulate different screen sizes, ensuring your UI looks great on any device. Craft your buttons, text boxes, and other elements with precision. Organizing your layers and creating reusable components will save you immense time. Remember to keep your visual style consistent across all elements for a polished look. After your design is complete, the next crucial step is exporting your assets. Select each UI element you wish to use in Roblox Studio. Export them as high-quality PNG or SVG files to maintain crispness. Naming your files clearly, like play button or settings icon, will make importing much easier. For intricate designs, consider slicing larger images into smaller, manageable pieces. Now, bring your beautiful Figma designs into Roblox Studio. Import your exported images into the Asset Manager. Utilize screen GUIs and frames to build the structure of your user interface. Carefully position and size each element using the Properties window to match your Figma layout. Finally, write Lua scripts to add interactivity, making your buttons clickable and your UI fully functional for players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.